welcome back to my channel. Today I'm Balagras and we both are going to learn that what are prepositions. In my previous videos, I have told you about number noun part 1 and number noun part 2, noun and pronoun. And today I have taken the topic prepositions. So let's begin. First we have to know the definition of it. That is, a preposition is a word which is usually placed before noun and pronoun to show letters relation to some words in the sentence. In short, you can learn that in any sentence, if there is noun, then the preposition should be used before noun. If in any sentence, if the instead of noun there is a pronoun, then also we are going to use preposition before it. Okay, and now we have learned noun and pronoun. We have just learned that what are noun. Nouns are that things, persons. It is generally the naming word. And what are pronouns? Pronouns are used in the place of noun. Means it does the work of noun. Okay. Now you think that we have learned noun also. We have learned pronoun also. Then what is the reason to learn prepositions? What is the meaning of preposition? It means because when we are using preposition before noun or before pronoun, the preposition shows the latter's relation to some words in the sentence. Okay, it shows a preposition shows a letter's relation to some words in the sentence. Now take example. They meet before lunch. Now don't see pronoun verb preposition. Just see the example. They meet before lunch. Now here what we have just learned. What are prepositions? First of all, prepositions are used before noun or pronoun. Means in the sentence, if there is noun or if there is pronoun, we are going to use a preposition, but before the noun or pronoun. So here you can see they meet before lunch. Now here you can see the noun is lunch and the verb is meet. Okay, the verb is meet and the noun is lunch. Now here you can see that before noun and pronoun we use the prepositions. So here I have used before is the word of preposition itself. So I have used before word before the noun. Okay, means you just have to learn that if in the sentence there is any noun, you have or pronoun, you have to write preposition before noun or pronoun. Like this one, there is noun, so we have used before because before a word is a preposition and we have used it before noun. Okay, now see in second, a letter for you. Now here don't see article, noun, preposition, pronoun. Just see a letter for you. Here you can see the article, noun, preposition and pronoun. Now here you can see that there is pronoun. We have learned that instead of noun, it will also come pronoun. Alright. So here it comes pronouns because you word is a pronoun. Okay, you word is a pronoun. So we have used for before the pronoun because for word is the preposition word. Now take more example like wait a minute. I'm writing some more examples. First, that she born in 1920. She born in 1920. She born. Now, wait a minute. She was born in 1920. Now here also you can see the preposition is in, and one more example, that he was born. Take another example. Just take that I have 2 pens in my kit. I have 2 pens in my kit. Now here you can see in this sentence you can see that why I have used in. First of all, in word is also a preposition. In word is also a preposition. In word is also a preposition. But now why I have used preposition here? Because you can notice that my word is a pronoun. My word is a pronoun. So we have used in word means preposition before the pronoun. Okay, I hope guys you will be satisfied from this part. So please like my video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my video. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you some points, some things to remember in the prepositions. Thank you. Bye bye.